Hey there, Mike at Wilton Auto and Tire Center. Just a little bit of info, try to clear things up and make it easier for the general public to understand what goes on with their car and why. One of the misleading items in a vehicle is when the battery light comes on, right? So years ago, talking a long time ago, and some cars even still have a voltage gauge, right? So the battery itself runs around 12.6 volts at rest when the car is off. And as soon as you start the car, the battery, by the way, is used to start the car and be there for an extra load for some of the higher power components in the car, like the blower motor and things like that. The alternator then takes over and raises that voltage to usually around 14.5 volts. Okay, so a lot of cars, the battery light will come on. And people say, oh, I need a battery because the battery light's on. Well, that's not really the case. Typically that light comes on because the charging system voltage is not enough and you're going to end up with a dead battery. Not sure why the manufacturers do it that way. It's a little misleading to the public, but that's the case in most cases, is that your charging system has failed or failing. So if you ever have any questions about this particular video and topic or anything automotive, please leave comments below and we'll be sure to get in touch with you and give you the best answer